Hello everyone, hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalk and Creations. I'm an independent designer of Chalk Couture, and today's video I wanted to show you this new Fall Mini Try Me sample kit that I created for you to give Chalk Couture a try. Now with this kit, it will be with this adorable little mini canvas and wooden easel. And it will be shipped to you encased in the plastic. Now while I'm cutting off the plastic, I wanted to tell you briefly about this kit. It is $12. That includes the shipping, and it will be shipped with the United States only. Now, with this kit, I thought this would be great for you, those of you that have been watching me with my Chalk Couture journey, or you want to give Chalk Couture a try, and that way you can have a fall vibe that will be, that you could put in your office, on your desk, on a tier tray, just something to just kind of give you a fall mini vibe. Okay, isn't that just absolutely adorable? Now, what your kit comes with is that canvas, the wooden easel, your random fall mini transfer that is reusable. It will also get one mini squeegee, one random color paste packet that is from their fall palette collection, one thank you card that has small print instructions on there, as well as this YouTube video tutorial here on my channel, Crafty Chalk and Creations. Now, before you get started, I wanted to sit here and show you on the back of the transfer. I did mark it for you with a little sticker that says that it's from the Fall Minis. That way, if you would like to get the entire collection, a sheet of 12 from Chalk Couture, you're welcome to do that. I will have a link posted down below in the description box for you, so that way you can get the sheet of 12 if you'd like to. Now, with this mini, okay, they are reusable, and it's perfect to fit on this little mini canvas. Now, the first thing that you need to do is, obviously, you can set this aside, and, oh, looking at this, I was just thinking, if you wanted to, you can cut out your mini to fit the inside of your canvas, if you prefer to do that, and just paint around the edge. But today, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you how to apply this to your canvas. Now, it is marked on the back, so that way you know the backs of your backer sheet. Okay, now you want to keep this backer sheet. There's your shiny side. That's what your transfer goes on. Okay, your transfers are reusable. They are sticky. Now you don't have to apply it to fuzz it, but I'm going to demonstrate that because this is canvas. You can put it right on there. But if you like to fuzz it, I want to demonstrate. You can put it on a towel, a sweatshirt, a t-shirt. Just do it a couple of times. That's if you want to, but that's optional. You don't have to do it on canvas. Now I apply it, I try to center it, I eyeball it. You can measure it if you would like to. It's not necessary. And then what I do is I just take my finger and I just make sure that I rub around it and make sure I have good contact with my canvas surface, that there aren't any wrinkles or little air bubbles. Now I take a paste packet. Now this is a paste packet that I've used on previous projects, okay? And what you want to do is you want to knead your paste packet. See, you'll get a full one like this one. You just want to make sure it's well mixed inside there. Now, once you have kneaded your paste packet very well, you cut off the end. I used to cut it off the top, but now I cut it off the end. And why that is that way if I like the color and want to order the paste, I know what the name of the color is. So I'm going to take my pair of scissors here. Now, I previously used this and I've taped this off. Now I have my own ceramic plate here that I'm going to use. Now I'm going to try to cut some of this tape off before I cut off the end. Now this is a way that you can store your paste because you get more than enough in a paste packet. Now I'm just going to cut off the end. Now I've already kneaded my paste in here. So now all I need to do is squeeze out just a little bit on my little ceramic plate. You can use a plate or a piece of plastic wrap, something to put some paste on. Now this paste is water soluble, so it's easy cleanup. Now once I have the amount of paste, it does not take much for a little project like this. I just take another piece of tape and make sure it's the length and it covers all of your package, and then just put it back on there. Now if you want, you can kind of squeeze some of the paste down a little bit if you would like to fold it over and tape it, which I just made a little bit of mess on my finger, but that's okay. Like I said, it's water soluble, you can clean it up. I just grabbed a little disinfectant wipe or a piece of towel or something, you can clean your finger off. Now you take your mini squeegee with your bevel side and you just get some paste on your squeegee. And then just make sure that your transfer is on your surface very well. So, just making sure here. And then you just generously apply it to your transfer. It's that quick and that easy. Okay, just make sure I have all my design covered, and I can scrape off any excess off my transfer. Make sure I have good even coverage and that I have all the areas covered that I need to. Now it's time for the peel and reveal. And just go ahead and you peel it up. How adorable is that? Now you can embellish this if you would like to. You can paint little raindrops or little flowers or sunbeams, whatever. And then you just put it on your easel. Isn't that stinking cute? You can have a little piece of art just tucked away on a tier tray, like I said, on a windowsill at your office desk, just someplace that you would like to have a little fall vibe. Now I'm going to show you how you can clean your transfer. Okay. Now I'm going to kind of move some of the stuff aside. Now you can use a piece of wax paper or any surface that is easy for you to clean up. I'm just using this like little baker's mat here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spritz this down with water. You just need some water. I'm going to grab a disinfectant wipe and also a piece of paper towel. Now like I said, I've cleaned this and I'm just going to wipe this off with a piece of paper towel to get that paste off and out of the mesh, the silk screening there. And now I'm going it over it with my disinfectant wipe. Make sure that I have as much of that off. Now I'm using a shimmer, so it's got a little bit of glitter that's going to stay. Now I peeled that up. Okay, now I'm going to lay it down, sticky side up, and I'm going to use a disinfectant wipe and just gently wipe over the back of it. And then that's pretty much it. You just want to make sure you don't have any paste in your mesh screening. You want to have it dry on the back a little bit, and then you take your backer sheet, shiny side up. Here, let me move this out of the way. Give this a little wipe and it dries. That way you can see a little bit better here. Now it's a shiny side up, and then I just apply it. Oops, not quite the. There we go, and that's facing the right direction. And you just press it back down, and then it is ready for your next project. It is that quick and that easy and that simple to do. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial and you would like to give Chalk Couture a try and get a fall mini little easel transfer kit. Okay, I will have the link posted down below in the description box, and also look at all the choices that you can get. It would be a random pick. These are the choices you could choose from to get one of these little kits. And also if you like, comment link below and I will send you a link directly so that way you can get one. Thank you so much for watching and you have a beautiful day.